I'm telling you how to fix the bug that the enemy fell down when it gets there. For example, I go here, the enemy follows me, but then he stops if there is no ground. But previously he just fell down. Okay, to fix the problem that the enemy fell down, we have to check that the enemy, for example, if he's facing the player and he's moving to left, we have to check if there is any ground, not exactly beneath the enemy feet, but exactly toward the left. If there's no ground, it stops. And also on the other side, if the player is here and enemy is here and he's moving toward the player, and if there is no ground on the right, downward and a little bit right, then it has to stop. So we go to here, so it shouldn't always move. And we have the code for flip. Mm, let me something like that, and let's say is less than that, and I clean that. I just tell it to for the clarity. Otherwise, you could just use else, but just have this code so as a beginner you can read that what happened. Now I say Raycast. It's 2D, and I say Ray is equal to, for example, like Mr. Ray down left. Then I say physics 2D dot Raycast. And I say new vector 2. So transform that position that X a little bit towards the left, and transform that position Y. Okay, just like before, I think it was this. Sorry, it was vector 2 down. Yes, in this amount, and the layer was ground, I guess. It was ground. Okay, we just have that. Say if ray down left, that's collider, is equal to null, then stop moving. Else move. And also we do that here. I copy and paste it here and just say positive. Enemy is moving toward right, so slightly on the down on the ground and the right of the enemy. So it would be down right. Don't forget to delete that. Okay, just here change the signs. So you see it stops. And I go here, it follows me. But here, as there is no ground, it just stops. And this is true for all of the enemies.